This one is a 1975 Smith Corona Galaxie 12 with a semi-wide carriage. The color is Alpine blue, I believe. And I will show you how to use the functions and make sure they work properly. To get it out of the case, you push that button up and you pull it out. Okay. Line space with one space, 2, 3, all work good. Left margin, works good. Right margin, works good. Margin release, works good. Left carriage release, right carriage release. This right here is a carriage lock. They'll lock it in the halfway position. Tab, set a tab right there. Works good. Let's clear it. There's a tab there too. Clear it all. All clear. Power space works good. Backspace works good. All right, let's type. Hold that up. Let's set that there. Let's set that to red. So I have that set. That's the tension on how hard you have to press the keys. I have it on high because this is a touchy machine. So if you want it to be less touchy, you just put it on low and you hit the keys less hard. What happens is if you got it on low and you're hitting the keys hard, sometimes it might give it a extra space on accident. So I keep it on high.